So if you bought a Husky ratchet strap, this is like a dual cylinder system. So either the cylinder, that allows you to release the strap, gets stuck. That's why usually at this position you should be able to just pull the strap from the cylinder, but here you can't do it because either the cylinder is broken or the strap itself is binded. It just happened to me like tonight, trying to load up my cargo carrier, and I needed more slack from my strap, and I can't get slack because this is stuck. So since the conventional way of doing it doesn't work, I'm gonna teach you the unconventional way of removing the strap from the ratcheting mechanism.
To the Batmobile, let's go!
First, what you do is you get the outer layer of the strap. See this one? There we go. You just remove the outer layer. I mean, not remove, but loosen. You know what I mean? Just loosen it as much as you can. See what I'm doing? I'm loosening it as much as I can. Okay. See, it's at the end already because there's this metal part here. Of course, it can't go through, but that's fine. So just loosen that, and then after that, go to the next layer and just loosen it. What? Basically, what we're trying to do here is that we're trying to get to the core layer, or to the layer where you first initiate the strap being grabbed by the cylinder mechanism. So you're trying to get there layer by layer. So of course, if you're in a pinch and you really can't remove it by doing the cushion, see, it's easy. So now I just pulled it from the cylinder itself. Okay, and then after that, what you do is just get that layer that you just pulled, and then just pull it off the cylinder, and then do it again. Now from the inside going out. And that was the wrong layer, but there we go. From the inside going out. There we go. And after a few full pulls, there we go. Voila! You have freed the strap and complete slack, or reposition strap and retighten it. So that's how you remove the Husky ratchet strap when it's stuck. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. You know the deal.